Have you ever wondered why money changes value when you travel? Let's break down how exchange rates actually work. An exchange rate is simply the price of one country's currency expressed in terms of another country's currency. If the rate is 1.08, it means your dollar is worth slightly more than a single euro. Several factors move these numbers, including how high a country's interest rates are and how stable their government is perceived to be. A strong currency makes buying foreign goods cheaper, while a weaker currency often helps a country sell more exports abroad. Exchange rates are constantly fluctuating because buyers and sellers are trading currencies every single second of the business day. Think of the exchange rate as a global report card for a country's economy that updates in real time. Understanding these basics helps you navigate international travel and global news. Thanks for watching and stay curious.